Hey Crafty Friends, it's been a little minute and I know, but here I am trying to make a comeback. So what's up everybody? I'm Marissa. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you are here and you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. Originally, I started this YouTube channel because I really wanted to share DIY projects, connect with people who have the same interest in DIY and creating and things like that, and also kind of like show the road of like making income from these creations and things like that. And that was all good and dandy until it wasn't. I have went through so many kind of like ebbs and flows, highs and lows when it comes to creativity, trying to make money off the creativity, following trends, doing things like that. And it kind of just like, it dampened the creative drive and I really lost touch of the flow of my creativity and wanting to actually like create from a pure place. I was really, at one point I was really honed in on doing what everyone else was doing, and every time I did that it didn't feel right. I made a video about that, or like a quick short about that, and then when I did try to venture out on my own, I was like always critiquing myself before I even continued the project, and it was just a poop show. However, I have taken the time to finally sit down and think about what it is that I like, think about what it is that I want to show, how it is that I want to connect with people who have like the same kind of mindset with creativity, positive thinking, a little bit of lifestyle sprinkled in there too, how I wanted to go about that. So I figured, let's just back it on up like a U-Haul truck and start from the source. So part of that source is utilizing my YouTube channel. The last like creative video that I've made thus far as of today was my cardboard fireplace for Christmas, which does really well on YouTube, and it's really searched, and I felt very proud of that. And so I want to continue doing things similar to that, but also doing other things too as I continuously evolve through my creativity. I want to test myself with learning new software and building new skills. So currently I am on the Procreate and Adobe Illustrator train, and I am easily frustrated, but I know that once I get to learning it, then it'll kind of be a breeze. And I also want to show other people how to do these things, or if they have like the same hiccups that I'm having, once I figure it out, show them how to do it, because I know how irritating it can be trying to search something or don't know how to use a certain tool or shortcut. And it's just very frustrating. And also too, like I have a couple of creative ideas in the back of my mind that I want to showcase as well, that I want to share with others as well. So I'm using this channel as me kicking myself to take the initiative to continue to do what I want to do, to continue to push myself, to help see myself grow, and also like a visual documentary of what it is that I do for the next, I don't know, upcoming phase of my life, and to reflect back on where I came from, because I think that having those tidbits and those memories or reminders of where you came from can really be helpful to where you want to go. So yeah, so this is just a little quick comeback, you know what I mean, video. Probably wasn't necessary, probably was, I don't know, but I know it was necessary for me to actually do this, because if I didn't make this video, then I probably wouldn't try to make any other videos, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just got to do it sometimes. So yeah, so thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for watching this video all the way through. I hope that you stick around and stay part of the MKC tribe, because I got some cool things in my mind and flowing that I want to actually show you guys. So yeah, if you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to stay in the loop. Make sure you turn on the bell notification so that you can see my videos. Whether I post a lot or a little, I still want you to get the notification that I'm doing so. And yeah, until next time, talk to you later. Peace.